Hi, welcome to Wise Wonders. My name is Claire and today we're going to be making ice planets. Even though Earth is the only planet that scientists know to have life, there are other planets and moons that have oceans and water. These planets and moons are called ocean worlds, and most of them are covered by a thick layer of ice. Astrobiologists think that these ocean worlds are likely to have life because water is essential for life on Earth. To make your ice planet, you'll need a balloon, a plastic funnel, liquid watercolor or food coloring, confetti, chia seeds, or something small to put inside your ice planet, some measuring cups, a round bowl, and a magnifying glass. First, start by taking the small end of your balloon and putting it over the tip of the funnel like this. Next, take your liquid watercolor and add 2 to 3 drops to your balloon. Now, measure out a small amount of some confetti and some chia seeds or any other small objects you choose. You're gonna pull your balloon off the funnel and put it on the faucet of a sink. You're gonna fill your balloon with water until it's a round sphere. Next, take your balloon off of the faucet, push out extra air, and tie off your balloon. Take your filled balloon and put it in a round bowl with the tied side down. Take your planet and put it in the freezer. Let it freeze overnight. After you've waited 24 hours, you can take your planet out of the freezer. Make sure it's hard and there's no liquid left in your planet. Take the tip of your planet and cut off the extra balloon. Start peeling away the balloon and unveil your new ice planet. Now you get to be an astrobiologist and explore your ice planet. You can use a magnifying glass, a flashlight, or anything else you want to try and find life. What can you see? One of the most likely ocean worlds to have life is Europa. Europa is one of Jupiter's moons. Scientists think that Europa was hit with an asteroid or comet that introduced some of the building blocks of life to this moon. What do you think life on Europa would look like? Thanks for making ice planets with me today. Let me know how your ice planet turned out in the comments, and we will see you at Wise Wonders.